This is a try to be quick toolbox tour. You kind of get two boxes into one here. Purchased this one first. Outgrew it. Had to get this one. I'll start over here with this drawer. Miscellaneous Harbor Freight junk, but useful at times. Next drawer, sockets and wrenches. My favorite organizing socket tray is the Westling. I've had a hard time with these bigger trays getting them out of here, so I put on, especially if you want to see up close, quarter 20 bolt in there, tapped and drilled and Loctited it in there. I've had no problems with those. I keep everything blue standard, red metric. Same thing with my wrenches up there. I switched basically everything to ratcheting wrenches. I don't torque them too much and have not broke any teeth on them yet. Next drawer, pry bar, C-clamps. I kind of like this tool I've used. Kind of a cheap Amazon purchase, but works. Next drawer. Yes, Harbor Freight. Icon, they're higher quality tools that still not sold on. Temp gun, useful. I've grown to use more. A friend's bike build here. I use it most of the time for motor temp. As we go further down the drawers, I kind of stuff I don't use as much. Belt sander. I do like doing upholstery from time to time. Attacker. Those are just airsoft guns, so no need to worry. I built these dividers with some flat stock I had around, kind of just quick tacked them in there, but they work great to keep things from sliding back. I have quite a few of these in other drawers that I'll show you. I always keep my old electrical tape boxes for great little screws, and trying to keep things organized as best I can. Screws, these are, what are these? These are
powder coating plugs.
Powder coating plugs. Great for, I use them, I don't powder coat, but great for keeping ports from getting dirt in there. They kind of get hacked up over time, or I'll modify them, so I probably need to get more soon. The money drawer. If I had this advice for upgrading tools, I purchased these cheap Milwaukee base model tools and upgraded to fuel in this big fuel impact. So that's that toolbox. At the end of the video, I'll show you the part numbers for each of these. This one came with a wood top, and I put another steel plate on here. If you have any product that you guys recommend to keep these clean, weld spatter. At the moment, I'm just using WD-40, and I'll take a wire brush, try to keep it clean. So, next drawer on this toolbox, this is a Harbor Freight dividers here. Again, I try to keep everything blue standard, red metric. We'll go to the right, electrical zip ties. I've become more of a fan of those steel zip ties. Center drawers. This is the dirtiest drawer I think I have, or unorganized. I use these a lot. Pick tools and little pry bars. Hammers. Never have enough. When in doubt, bigger hammer. Next drawer, I made these dividers. Kind of keeps things sectioned off on where you want stuff to be. Lube drawer, I try to label each of these so I don't have to look up and see what it is. In fact, half the time it don't work because I forget I have it. I purchased zero turn oil and I just had it here. Next one, sanding discs. Glue. I've had a problem with these sliding back. I don't know what to do yet. This one, little cool mod I did was weld a bolt in there. Try to keep them from sliding, keep them together. Next one is the corded tools. That's about it. Hopefully that was quick and easy. The device, bought new. Buy one that's 50 years old because they were made better. We'll get one at some point. I try to keep this as clean as possible. It's easier to fill up. I'll show you these models here quick before I forget, because this one, I believe you can buy a top model for it. You can never have enough bench space. This one, I kind of wish I would have kept the tack board on the back, but I gave it away. Part number for this box, 48228561. This one, it looks like it has 48228541. You can screenshot those if you want. Quick, one more organizing drill bit organizer I got. Amazon. I want to say I paid 15 bucks. Recently, I kind of color coded the tips, or the ends of them. Makes it really convenient when I'm drilling out a hole. Bigger. If I grab this, you know, and this one. And half the time, I can't see what size they were, so I just look on here. This black one, yellow. See, I'm already still orange and green. That's about it. If you'd like to see more videos, at some point I'd like to do a garage tour. But like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully do more.